it's Smitty2 from SmittyTube HD. We're going to be doing some football cards. We've got 2013 Prestige and 2013 Strata because we're doing Throwback Thursday. We're going to do some more 2015 and stuff. Hope you guys like it. So, yeah, I'm going first. Yeah, go ahead and just comment what you want us to unbox next. Reagan's gonna do something after this, so let's jump right into it. Revs, make sure. Okay. So here we go.
Hopefully I get an autograph. Just hopefully. So I have Jake Walker, Jeremy Mill. I already have that guy, but Darrell, Richard, Kenny. I don't know.
Oh, we got a shiny rookie. Show him what that looks like. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's like silver, you guys.
Shane Lee, Torrey Smith, James Jones, and Daniel Williams.
Okay, so now I'll be going.
Can't wait for the autograph.
This is Prestige.
2013.
Yeah, throwback.
Throwback Thursday. Woo-hoo. Drew Brees,
Sidney Rice, Ryan Kirkin, Sam Bradford. I'm doing way better than River.
I already have one of those.
Rookie Vic Ballard and
Larry Fitz.
Larry Fitzgerald. He's awesome. Eric Decker.
Okay.
So, yeah, Eric Decker's now on the Jets.
Oh. Dustin Keller, Golden Tate, Seahawks. I already have one of those, but still good.
You always get the silver ones. Oh. Oh wait, they haven't seen it yet. Focus. Okay.
Donald Brown, Brandon Whedon,
Michael Floyd.
Pretty good.
Okay. You can get these, I'm pretty sure, at like the dollar store.
Or Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon is where we got that, not a sponsor.
No, not a sponsor though.
No.
We just get stuff on there.
Jared Cook.
You got Rob.
Rob Gronkowski.
I already have it.
Patrick Willis.
I already have that too.
I have all these, so stop. Rookie. Willis
Ooh, that Coke stuff.
Terrell Suggs. That's what I said. So, if we get about let's say 10 more subscribers this week, we will do
A shout out.
No, we'll do like some sort of football battle thing.
6 cards.
So hold on. Yeah. So let's get this out of the way. So now we're doing
Strata.
these.
Strata.
2013. Make sure they can see it, Rib.